In this video, we're going to take a look at the Rode VideoMic Go. Now, the reason why I'm making this video, first of all, I'm a professional photographer. I'm not a videographer or kind of audio expert, but I do make video for my tutorials if you're looking at the past. So, in the past videos, I've been using this Zoom H1n, which is pretty freaking amazing. Problem with this one, that it captures all the ambient sound from around me. Like if I have the AC running or if I have the fridge running in the background or there is a wind blower, it captures all of it. So kind of pain in the butt. So I've been using this little lavalier mic, which is not bad either. Actually cuts down a lot of surrounding sound, but it doesn't have this oomph. So I've been trying to find the best of both worlds, where I can actually move a little bit far, but not too far, but at the same time have some quality in it. Full disclaimers, like none of them are sponsored by anybody. I'm making this video not for you, is to convince my wife that I made a good purchase. So good luck to me. And I want to see it for myself. Like I'm gonna unbox this Rode VideoMic Go, and at the same time I'm going to compare that with this sound. And I'm also recording the audio in the Canon 70D, and I'm also going to compare everything with Zoom H1n, so you're going to see it for yourself or hear it for yourself, which one is good. Listen, first of all of them has their benefits and all of them has their drawbacks. You need to play the game based on those. So anyway, let's jump into the unboxing. First of all, so this is how the box looks like. By the way, did you know that the Rode is made in Australia? Yep, it's made in Australia. It's Australian product. So I'm gonna get a knife. I'm not the best one in opening this because look at that, I just broke the box, which is not very good, because if I have to return this, I don't think I'll be able to do that anymore. But anyway, so box is out. So that's what in it. That's how the box looks like. Ta-da! The quick start guide, the cable, and there you go. How cool is it? It's very light. Look at that. Take this one out. I'm just gonna put everything on the side. This is basically size of my palm. Pretty cool, isn't it? Very light, really light. This is not really well protected, which means that it captures a lot of interference, which is I have to be careful with. But if I do have problem, only solution I have, which is covering in with the aluminum wrap. Check this one. Can you see it? It's written made in Australia. So that's pretty cool thing. I lived in Australia for a long time. I mean, it's nice to have some local products. I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show, how deep is your love? I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. Now I'm supposed to go outside to do my outdoor test, but I can't because it's raining. Let me show you. So I have to do the test from the balcony. So in this case, this is how it sounds like with the sound of road, the air and the machine and all kind of noise. I'm not going to sing because I don't want to annoy the neighbors. So this is how it sounds like with the cheap Amazon microphone. Now you're listening to Zoom H1n connected to Canon 70D. So this is a little bit from far and this is from the close-up. Rode VideoMic Go from the close distance. Rode VideoMic Go from 2 feet away. Rode VideoMic Go from quite far. Rode VideoMic Go from pretty far distance with a lot of noise outside. Now this is Rode VideoMic Go connected to Zoom H1n that connected to Canon 70D from the close distance. This is Rode VideoMic Go connected to Zoom H1 connected to Canon 70D from 3 feet away. This is Rode VideoMic Go connected to the Zoom H1n that connected to Canon 70D from at least 6 feet away. This is Rode VideoMic Go that is connected to Zoom H1n that is connected to Canon 70D from really far. This sound is being recorded with the Zoom H1n. Anyway, I hope you really like my testing. Comment in the comment section below and tell me which one you prefer the most. See you next time. Bye bye.